If you're brand new to AI and wondering which tool is worth paying for in 2026, this is your guide. I put the top models through head-to-head tests, reasoning, coding, hallucination traps, and real workflow tasks. Here's the truth. There's no universal best. There's only the best for your daily workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put your $20. Two quick rules. First, go monthly, not annual. AI evolves fast, you want flexibility. Second, pick the tool you'll actually open every day. If you want a single tool that does almost everything, ChatGPT is the default. The paid plan unlocks memory, scheduled tasks, image generation, and file uploads. Strengths: versatile, good at formatting, practical shortcuts. Weaknesses: can forget context, sometimes hallucinates, and occasionally assumes details you never gave. Upgrade if you want a flexible, all-purpose assistant. Gemini excels at big documents, spreadsheets, and deep research. It integrates tightly with Gmail, Docs, and Sheets, and even generates images and short videos. Strengths: academic-style research, massive context window, clean organization. Weaknesses: outputs can feel formal, UI is clunkier than others. Upgrade if you're in the Google ecosystem and want serious document power. Think of Perplexity as a next-gen search engine. It gives you fast answers with sources, and the Discover tab keeps you updated on trending news. Strengths: fact-checking, competitor scans, industry research. Weaknesses: less suited to creative writing, older image generation. Upgrade if you need fast, reliable research with citations every day. Claude feels human in conversation, perfect for scripts, blogs, and social posts. It offers projects to keep files and prompts organized. Strengths: polished UI, natural writing, great for brainstorming. Weaknesses: no image generation, free tier feels restrictive. Upgrade if you're a content creator who values tone and organization. Grok is fast, web-aware, and tied to X's live data. It's simple in appearance, but surprisingly sharp with shortcuts and reasoning. Strengths: quick answers, practical, good at real-time tasks. Weaknesses: plain UI, sometimes makes assumptions. Upgrade if you want speedy, news-aware AI without caring about polish. Choose Copilot if you live inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, or Teams. It weaves AI directly into your Microsoft apps. Strengths: seamless integration with daily workflow. Weaknesses: not cutting edge for new features, just solid Microsoft synergy. Upgrade if you're already a Microsoft 365 subscriber. If your workflow involves video, Bumpups is your tool. Paste a YouTube link or upload a file, and you can chat with the video. Strengths: unique, simple, video-focused. Weaknesses: narrow specialization. Upgrade if you need AI for video analysis. I tested trick questions like a fake president's parrot. The good news, all models are getting better at saying no evidence. Still, verify surprising claims, especially in research. Across repeated trials, strict formatting, ChatGPT and Claude best. Practical how-tos, ChatGPT and Grok fastest. Research and organization, Gemini and Perplexity shine. Creative writing and polish, Claude leads. Almost every pro plan costs around $20 a month. That's why the key question is fit, not price. Want one tool for everything? ChatGPT, Docs/Sheets/Gmail, Gemini, do lots of research and fact-checking, Perplexity, need natural content and writing, Claude, want speed and X integration, Grok inside Microsoft Office Daily, Copilot need video analysis, Bumpups. Pro tip, ChatGPT versus Claude is like Coke versus Pepsi. Try both free tiers on your tasks and see which taste you prefer. Start where you'll get the most daily value. Go monthly, test it on your own workflow, and switch as features evolve. If this helped, hit like and drop a comment with the tool you're choosing for 2026.